George Perkins Marsh, often overlooked, wrote the seminal ideas that linked language, culture, and the fate of forests. His 1864 essay that compared human cruelty to nature with moral decline helped ignite early conservation thinking and inspired policymakers across generations. Marsh traveled across Europe and America, detailing how deforestation reshaped landscapes, economies, and communities, weaving ethics with ecology. Though forgotten by many, his warnings foreshadowed modern environmentalism, land reform, and sustainable policy debates long before their time. This quiet scholar reshaped humanity's relationship with nature, leaving a lasting compass for generations to come.